Hi friends, welcome to Unscripted Programming, and in this video we'll learn about ls command, and this is our second video in Linux series. If you have not watched our first video, then go to that video, and the link of that video in description box. You can also watch here. So let's start without wasting the time. So basically ls command is used for listing all the files and directories, and it is very important command. So first command is ls, and it lists all the files and directories. And if you want to change the order of files and directories, or means in reverse order, then you have to use the command ls space dash small r. You can see the order, it is in reverse order. Okay, and if you want to long listing all the files except hidden files, then you have to use the command ls space dash small l. It will long list all the files and directories. Here d shows it is directory, and this dash shows it is a regular file. If you want to show hidden files also, then you have to use the command ls space dash small a. So you can see all the hidden files. If you want to see all the files including hidden, so you have to use the command ls space dash la. So you can see all the files including hidden files. And next command is for our to display the inode number. If you want to see the inode index number or inode number of a file or directory, then you have to type ls space dash small I, and you can see here this is the inode number of a file or a directory. If you want to list long format with readable size, then you have to type ls space dash and small l h. You can see here this k shows kb. If there is any m, then it shows mb, so it is the size. So if you want to list recursively directory tree or subdirectories, then you have to type command ls space dash and capital R. You can see here all the files, directories and subdirectories. If you want to list file size, then you have to use the command ls space dash and small s. You can see here size of the file or directory. If you want to sort a file by the size, so you have to use the command ls space dash and capital S. See here, file or directory means first comes, it will be a largest file or a largest directory. If you want to sort a file or directory by time and date, then you have to use a command ls space dash small t. See here, time and according to the directory, it shows time and date. Okay, if you list the root directory, then you have to use the command ls space slash. You can see the all the root directories. If you want to list users home directory, then you have to use ls space and this symbol, curve symbol. Then you can see here all the users home directory. If you want to list all the parent directory, then you have to use ls space 2 dots. You can see here it is a parent directory. And if you want to list all the subdirectories, only subdirectories, then you have to use the command ls space and steric symbol. You can see here all the subdirectories. And if you want to list files and directories with full path, so you have to use ls space dash small d space dollar and capital pwd space and slash and steric symbol. Here you can see the complete path of files and directory. Okay, the last command but not the least, if you want to sort the file or directory by extension name, so you have to use the command ls space dash capital X. So this is in the extension name, not shown here, but it is in alphabetically order. You can see here extension name, here D F M P T V. So you can see here it is in extension order. So in today's video it's enough, and if you have any doubt, post your doubt in comment section, and if you are new on this video, subscribe the channel. So stay safe at home and keep practicing.